In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new section in Google Chat Spaces. If your Google Chat workspace is starting to feel crowded, adding a section is a simple way to bring order to the chaos. Sections act like labeled dividers, letting you group related spaces under clear headings so you can find discussions faster and keep your priorities straight. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll point out exactly where to click so nothing feels confusing. First, open Google Chat. Use it the way you normally do, whether that's in your browser, the standalone app, or within Gmail. The experience is the same for what we're about to do, so just get to your usual Google Chat view. Next, look at the left sidebar and go to Spaces. This is the area dedicated to your group conversations and project channels. If you also see options like Chat or Meet, make sure you're specifically in the Spaces section so the right controls appear. If your sidebar is condensed, you may need to hover or expand it to reveal the full labels. Now, move your cursor to the Spaces heading and click the three dots, the vertical icon, right beside the word Spaces. This is the More Options menu for the whole Spaces list, not for a single space. If you notice several three-dot icons on the screen, aim for the one aligned with the Spaces header to access the right menu. From that menu, choose Create New Section. This tells Google Chat you're setting up a new labeled area that your spaces can live under. Think of it as creating a shelf where related conversations can sit together. You'll be prompted to enter a section name. Pick something short and descriptive, so it's easy to scan at a glance. Clear names like Team Updates, Projects, Clients, or Priority help you and your teammates know exactly what belongs there. You can always keep your naming consistent across sections to make your sidebar even cleaner. Once you've typed the name, click Create. That's it. Your new section appears immediately in the Spaces area, ready to help you organize. You'll notice your sidebar feels more structured, and it's easier to focus on what matters most because your spaces are now grouped under meaningful headings. To recap, open Google Chat, go to the Spaces area in the left sidebar, click the next to Spaces, choose Create New Section, enter your section name, and click Create. With that quick sequence, you've added a new section to organize your chats and spaces, making your daily workflow smoother and more efficient.